In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a bot to a single channel on Discord. If you've ever set up a bot on Discord, you know they can add a lot of functionality to your server, whether it's for moderation purposes, playing music, or a multitude of other tasks. However, sometimes you might want a bot to function only within a specific channel, not throughout your entire server. This is particularly useful if you're trying to keep your server organized, or if the bot performs a function that's only relevant in a single context. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is to head over to Discord. Open your preferred web browser, type in Discord's URL, or simply click on the Discord app if you have it installed. Once you're there, you're greeted with the login page. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's the email associated with your Discord account to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed that in, the next step is entering your password. Be careful to input it correctly. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. Should you encounter any issues logging in, you can always use the forgot password feature to reset your password. After successfully entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button. This will take you to the Discord home screen. It's the starting point for all your Discord activities, from accessing your servers to messaging friends directly. Now locate the server where you want to limit the bot's activity from the server list on the left side of your screen. Each server is represented by its icon or the first letter of its name if it doesn't have a custom icon. Click on your desired server to proceed. Once you're inside the server, navigate to the specific channel you want to restrict the bot to. Hover over the channel's name and you'll see a gear icon appear. This is the Edit Channel option. Click on it to access the channel's settings. Within the channel settings, you will see a tab labeled Permissions. Clicking on this will bring you to the permissions management area for that channel. Next, you need to specify whom these permissions will apply to. Click on the Roles/Members tab to bring up a list. Here you'll find all the roles and members that have been added to your server. Scroll through or use the search function to find the bot you want to confine to this channel. Click on the bot's role to select it. After selecting the bot's role, you need to adjust its permissions for this specific channel. To restrict the bot to operate only within this channel, you should deny it all permissions globally within your server settings, and then grant it permissions in this specific channel. You accomplish this by toggling off the permissions you do not want the bot to have on a server-wide scale, and then coming back to this channel's settings to enable them here exclusively. Upon setting the permissions as desired, it's crucial to save these changes. Look for the Save Changes button within the channel settings and click on it. A confirmation message might appear, indicating that your changes have been successfully recorded. Congratulations! You've just configured a bot to operate solely within a specific channel on your Discord server. This method is a great way to maintain control over your server's functionality, keeping things organized and ensuring that bots only have access to the areas where they're needed. Remember, you can always adjust these permissions later on if your server's needs change. If you ever need to extend the bot's access or restrict it further, just follow these steps again and tweak the settings as required. Managing a Discord server can seem challenging at first, but with guides like this, you're well on your way to becoming a pro. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to lock a bot to a single channel on Discord. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy Discord managing.